And welcome back to my channel. Happy Mask Monday. Today I am wearing a mask. It's from the Ulta Party Animals collection. And this is supposed to be a sloth. I don't know if you get that from this, but that is what this is supposed to be. And hi, if you are new to my channel, I do Mask Mondays on Mondays, and my name is Jennifer, and I do makeup material on my channel. I do Mask Mondays, I do unboxings, and per my channel name, I am agoraphobic, so I do agoraphobic material and talk about mental health as well. So if you're interested in any of that, or say you are interested in all of that, then I highly suggest you hit subscribe and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. So today we are doing Mask Monday, but I am also opening up some friend mail, and I am going to be opening up my beauty bag from Eyescream Beauty. And if you're interested in all of that, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, welcome back. I've got 3 pieces of friend mail to go through. These are from ladies I did the collab with. One is from Christine, Fab Fit Mama. I will link all of those channels down below. I love Christine. She is doing Vlogmas right now, and she is just killing it. I love watching her every day while I drink my coffee in the mornings. And I think she's just awesome. I sent out my cards a little late. And it says Mary Mary with a cute little wreath there. And if I can get it open, it says, I'm looking to getting to know you more, Jennifer. From our family to yours, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Christine. I know y'all can't see any of that in there. And that is very sweet. And then I got one from Miss Bonnie. She is from Bonnie's Bargains. And she was also in that collab. I will leave her link down below. She is so sweet and nice. And her card says peace. And it says, wishing you the quiet beauty of a holiday filled with peace. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Much love and many blessings from Bonnie. Okay, that is very sweet. And it has a little Christmas tree in here. And lastly, I have one from Miss Laurie Latimer. She has a YouTube channel. Again, she was part of the collab. And she is so funny. Check her out. And it says, all is calm, all is bright. And it says, may blessings from above shine on you and your family. Merry Christmas, love and blessings. Laurie Latimer, also known as Sis Fantastic. So that is very nice. I love getting mail. And so, like I said, I will leave all of these ladies a link down below in the comment section. I don't think they were part of my group when Laurie might have been. I can't remember. But I will leave these ladies linked down below. Go give them a follow and tell them I said hi. And next I have something to unbag. It is my beauty bag from Eyescream. I don't get the $25 box. I just get the $12.50 bag, which still comes with 4 or 5 items, I believe. And you still get an incredible amount of value from it. I should have opened it before I started this. But, yeah, and you always get a palette. This time I got 3 items. Okay. And it said the palette is worth $50. So this is a Pure Cosmetic Winter Wonderland palette. Let me say this. Pure Cosmetics Winter Wanderlust palette. Oh, I'm sorry. That's what she'll look like there. And when you take her out, that's what she looks like. Oh my, that is very pretty. I don't know if you can catch that, but they're kind of like marbled shades. I don't know if, should I swatch this? How many? It doesn't look like there's a lot of shimmers. I can't tell which are shimmers and which are mattes. Again, oops. These are the colors in it. I see one shimmer, but it's hard to tell. I think this black, the obsidian, is a shimmer. I'd have to swatch them, but I don't know if I'm keeping this yet or not. So I will swatch them on my own and decide later. So that is very pretty. Next, what I have in here is what it says, a Makeup Depot Rose Shine Gloss for $5. Okay. I'm sorry about my lighting situation, guys. It's just clear gloss. And it does smell like rose. So that is what she looks like right there. And finally, I guess this comes with 3 to 5 products in it. And this is a Bella Pierre makeup base for $19. Okay, I need to clean my finger off. Like an all-over makeup base? Is this like a primer or something? Just says makeup base. Well, I don't know how to use this. I will have to experiment with it. So, yeah, so that's 69 plus 5. So that's what, $71? Is that right? worth of product in here, and it's only $12.50 per bag, so that's a pretty good value, I would say. Let me put this stuff back in the bag. At the end of the month, I always take all my boxes and bags and go through them and take what I want to keep and take what I want to get put in a giveaway and all that stuff. So I always put it back in the bag. So, yeah, I guess that's all I've got for y'all today. I got some friend mail, got some beauty stuff, and I guess I will go ahead and take off this mask. Put it there and rub in the serum. I hope y'all are getting all of your Christmas stuff done. I still need to look for stocking stuffers for the family. I don't know if I'm gonna do that today. I've got a raging headache going on. And I just want to crawl into bed and sleep all day. Never felt like that. I would say you could Instagram me your address and we could swap cards. But it's kind of late in the season, I guess. But we'll do that next year. I'll be more on the wall with it next year. So, I don't have like a P.O. box where y'all could send me cards and I could send them back. But, I just can't afford a P.O. box right now. But, maybe someday I'll do that. And give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. It really helps my channel out, and it only takes a second. And leave me a comment down below. Let me know how your day is going and how. I just love to hear from you guys, whatever. So I hope you are having a fantastic day today, and that all your Christmas stuff is going well. And if you're not having a fantastic day today, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful rest of your week and following up to the holidays or whenever you're watching this. And also, if you're having an especially hard time, just know that I'm thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. And be sure to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe. And hopefully I will see you. Yeah, I should have a video up tomorrow. So I will see you tomorrow. Okay. Stay well until then. Goodbye.